let's continue with the next presentation. We're moving from the module side of things to grid connection technology. And we're happy to have with us Mark Guan, who is RES Global Sales Director at Hoymiles. He will talk about redefining home energy independence with slimmer, stronger, faster HiOnes. Mark, good to have you. Change
Hi,
to
Michael.
presentation mode. Hi.
Yeah. Okay. Hi. Yeah. So I'm Mark. So it's very pleasure. Yeah. Very happy. It's my honor to be invited to join the speech. Okay. So I will start my presentation. So we are Hoymas, and so this is our company's slogan. Okay. Open energy for all. So today I will give you the quick presentation about who we are and what is HiOne, our new product, all-in-one residential storage products. Okay, and then at the last we have some case studies about HiOne. So first, I believe most of us we know Hoymiles, but some of not. So for Hoymiles, yeah, we are started at the 2012, and we have our core business is including the electricals, including the PV inverters, the storage, residential storage, CNI storage, and then utility scales. Okay, yeah, and our product application scenario, yeah, including the DIY, yeah, CNI, residential, and utilities, and we also provide the product producing and also the solutions integration. Yeah, and also after being the professionally by evaluated by the BMEF, okay, Hoymiles, yeah, we have become the world's top level manufacturers of the microinverters and also for the and storage equipment. Okay, yeah. So this is our milestones. So I just talked. We started at 2012. Okay, yeah. And now the first generation of the microinverters, yeah, were launched it in 2014. Okay, and then we have been growing rapidly, yeah, in the microinverters business. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, microinverter business in few years, and in 2020, yeah, we have launched the first generation of the residential storage products. Okay, and in 2021, yeah, we successfully went public, and up to now we have the more financial and resource and marketing support to enable us to run the development and the service of the multiple business, including DIY, micro storage, and micro inverters, residential, and then utilities. So after years of the rapid development and the Hoymiles, yeah, we have the building the global productions and the distributing and service centers. So we focus on the local operations. So this is why we can obtain our very long-term and stable customers. Okay, based on the local operations, our global headquarters, we have 5 global regional business headquarters and 6 regional storage centers and 4 factories. Yeah, for provider we can. So this is what give us confidence that we can provide the better service and products to our customers. And now, so this is product introduction sections. So this is our new products. We already launched it to Europe, and next month we will officially launch it in Australian market. Okay, so our new products, HiOne, yeah, we believe it is slimmer, stronger, and faster. So first we can go to the specification about the HiOne. So on the top is the inverter, of course, integrated with the EMS. So for the single phase, yeah, we have the power range is from 3.6 to 12 kilowatt, and for the three-phase, we from the 5 to 20 kilowatt. So at the biggest range of the power size, yeah, we got 4 MPPTs, and which with each MPPT is 20 amps for the max current input, and each power size has 2 times of the DC-AC ratio, and it can support 100 unbalanced output from the for the AC sides, and then we will have the V2X models, but yeah, it will be coming soon in the Q2 this year. And for the battery size, we are choosing the big battery cells, the 314 amp hour battery cells. So it means that you can obtain the more than 8,000 cycles life and 100% DOD. Yeah, it's very great, and extend to the longer lifespan of the residentials. Yeah, and also we provided our gateway, smart gateway. Yeah, it can support the 0 millisecond on-grid, off-grid switchings, and also support the multiple sources, just like the PVs, yeah, storage, grid, and generator, and also AC EV chargers. So it can do the whole home backup and tired backup, definitely. Next, sorry. Okay. Yeah, so from the beginning, yeah, we firmly believe that the products they are similar in design will gain more the popularity. So therefore, the initial design of the products, yeah, was focused on the easier and simpler and the more user-friendly installations process, as well as the high quality experience. So the design of the all-in-one, we believe it reduce the space requirements, okay, compared with separate products. And the lightweight design of the battery models, yeah, makes it easier to transport and install. So it's very important that two person, they can hold the battery very easily, and moreover, the minimum wirings ensure more pleasing product appearance. Okay, I will go on with the HiOne. Okay, yeah. So the HiOne design is we can adopt all scenario. So first, we integrate the DC-DC modules in each battery model. So it means that you can do the mixed without any limits. So for example, if you want to extend the battery capacity in the future few years, okay, it's very easily can mix the old and new batteries. And then we provide the 4 MPPTs with each 20 amps, so it can adopt any rows, yeah, for the big house, and it can scan up anytime. So we provide the 2-turbo paralleling. So it means that you, just a per inverter can install the 8 packs, so the max capacity of the system will up to 64 kilowatt hours. And let's talking about the friendly using. So we firmly believe the user friendly and the installations will make people happy. So rapid 15 minutes installations is very quick for now. So first, our all modules are the stackable design, so without any wirings. So within 5 minutes, and you can finish the pair connections and power on the system. And second, we are choosing the spring terminals for the cable connections. It means that it's very easily to do the cable works and without any complicated cable connections with the quick plug terminal. And also, yeah, we provide the quick commissioning functionalities. So just 4 steps. Yeah, it can do the first time power on and commissioning. Yeah, within the auto detected devices, and just setting the key features finish the auto testings, and then last finish the network configurations. So everything will be done, and including the CTs, the meters, and other settings, all will be the automatic auto correct itself. So it's very friendly and quick. So in terms of the safety, this is a big matter that we pay close attention to. So it's very important for us and also for our customers. So by optimizing the arrangement of the battery cells, so we enable the system to have the more reasonable heat cooling and preventing any sampling risk due to the different temperature between the battery cells. So at the same time, we have, as you can see, we have the multiple safety dedication methods to allow all fire risk to be dedicated before they happen, so enabling the battery to shut down quickly to avoid for the battery things expansion. So, and for the smart energy management, so this flow is the basic work modes that we already provide, and also we have some cooperations with the local VPP companies, in the Netherlands, Germany, in the whole Europe. We have some offshore cooperation companies, so they will provide they can support the VPP business, so with us to our customers. And also we will officially launch the AI mode at the end of March, just this month. Okay, it will be so the energy management system will be calculated to be optimal the usage time and the charging or discharging time based on the weather, electrical bills, and the loads. Okay, so we believe this will better manage the energy and the electrical bills for the household, and I believe you will see soon more about the information on the market. So this is our solution overview. So we provide the equipment and the gateways, the smart meters, and we provide also with the applications. So within the system, with the gateway, we provide the whole home backup. You can create the microgrid by yourself. Okay, this is we call it. This is a one-stop solution. So this is the HiOne's case study. Okay, we already sold a lot of the HiOnes in Europe, especially in Germany, in Netherlands. Okay, so and our distributors and installers, very long-term customers, they already install something, some cases. So this is the 2 cases. So in Germany, the first one is a 3-phase household with a 20 kilowatt and 13 kilowatt hours system. So it can do the discharging during the peak hours, and to help to reducing the electrical bills, and also can do the dynamic tradings through the VPPs. So after the using and the calculations, we got the feedback from our end users. So it saves about 1,300 euros a year. And on the right side is in Munich, a small office. They install a same system. Okay, so in the daytime, and the solar will cover the daytime using, and the system can charge at the low rates and discharge at the peak price. So by joining the VPPs, and our customers say very easily to manage the household electricals, and also reducing the electrical costs while keeping the power supply stable. Okay, so this is in the Netherlands. Okay, also 3-phase. This is a very great station Yeah, I already went to the site. Yeah, the install is very beautiful, and the customer is very happy with the HiOne. So in the same time, it's the same things. The solar covers the daily using, and while the battery charging at the low rates. So it also can help the customers to earn the money from the dynamic trending. So in France, we also have the sites. This is our one of the distributors in France. So the customers' feedback is very good. Okay, and also, so this is events. So in February this year, we already officially launched. We held a HiOne launch events in the Netherlands. So at this event, so we also hold small installation competitions. Okay, it's very interesting. So all the joiner is our distributors, boss, or the CEO, or the managers. Okay, so they were not the actual installers. So the very interesting thing is the winner was one of who install and power on the HiOne equipment in 44 seconds, very quick, and this brought a very great shock to our customers, and everyone in this event was amazed by the rapidly and the very quick of the installation process. So everyone is shocked, very great event, and the distributors is very happy about the easily installations. It's very, yeah. Okay, so that's all for the HiOne and for our Hoymiles. So sorry about the stock from the computer. So if you have any questions, you can let me know.
Thanks, Mark. So you will also join the panel later, right? Also maybe this the one question I would have maybe on a product. I think there's also some questions in the chat which you might look at. So what about actually blackout compatibility of your product? So what happens if there's a blackout, because it's a hybrid inverter, right? So will the system be able to continue to work?
Yeah, yeah. So with our the whole system, including the, sorry, I should go this page. Oh, that's okay. Yeah. So with our HiOne gateway pro equipment, and it can achieve 0 milliseconds on grid off-grid switch time. It means that you will never feeling about the grid blackout. So the HiOne equipment will power on your whole household loads.
Okay, that's super. Thanks
Yeah.
so much.